Hello, welcome sa second part ng exposition about billiards. So, in this part, siguro tuturo ko yung basic techniques. So, ano ba yung... Minsan kasi sinasabi ng mga tao na, ay, yung billiards, that's all physics, all geometry, all trigonometry. So, all those pretentious na nerdiness stuff. Pero, in reality, billiards, first and foremost, is all about technique. So as with golf, so as with darts. So yun yung kailangan mo munang i-refine. So you need your body to cooperate, or else kahit ano pang analytical na procedure na gawin mo, kung hindi mo kayang i-execute. So it's all about execution. So that's why you need to do yung technique muna. So in doing so, technique, there are four things to consider. First is to establish the stance. So, kunwari ito yung line, yung path ng cue ball. Mag-imagine ako ng line parallel sa ground. That's where to place my dominant foot. And since lefty ako, left foot yon. Pero kung right-handed ka, right foot yon. Then, if you imagine that line na parallel dun sa sa shot path, imagine another line connecting dalawang heels, yung dalawang foot, syempre dalawang naman yung feet natin. That line supposedly between 6 degrees and 45 degrees. Minsan kasi for girls, 45 degrees, kasi there are instances na tumatama sa chest nila yung forearm nila. So in order to prevent that, medyo 45 degrees yung angle. For the guys na wala namang issues sa pagtama dun sa chest, okay lang na 60. So ano bang rational kung bakit 45 or 60 degrees? Kailangan kasi pag yuko mo, upright dapat yung head mo. So kung halimbawang inline, halimbawa yung dalawang heels dun sa shot, pag yuko mong ganon, parang you have to tilt your head. Hindi dapat, that's a no-no. So, to maintain na upright yung head mo, kailangan medyo square yung stance, but not too square, for example, 90 degrees, kasi that will cause too much strain on your back. So, yung healthy compromise is 45 to 60 degrees. Paano masasabi na healthy compromise? Kapag yuko mo, pag angat ng bridge hand mo, yung body weight mo should be going forward, hindi going sideways. Halimbawa, kung 30 degrees, pag inangat mo, so, dapat moving forward yung body weight mo. So, yun yung dahilan bakit 45 to 60 degrees yung angle. Second is the firm bridge. So, yung firm bridge, ito yung dito nagsistruggle kadalasan lahat ng beginners. Well, yung stance yung palagi na overlook. Second is yung bridge kung saan nagsistruggle yung lahat. Yung bridge hand is to where to place yung shorter end ng cue stick mo or the thinner end. So, yung bridge hand mo is done by placing your hand 6 to 8 inches from the cue ball, spreading your fingers while gripping the cloth, and while the tips of your fingers and the base of your palm is touching the table, should raise the knuckles of four of your fingers. Then, dun sa knuckle ng index finger mo, that's where to place yung cue stick mo, itong depression na part na to. So, ang mahalaga dito sa bridge hand is stability, so hindi siya shaky, then syempre firm, then naka-grip siya sa cloth. So halimbawa sample na nandito sa rail or dito, itong mga fingers hindi naman kailangan naka-spread, kailangan lang may kinakapitan siya. So dito yung cloth lang yung kinakapitan niya, so naka-press tightly siya. Second is yung third is yung cueing. So, in establishing yung cueing, kung titignan mo from behind, dapat ganito yung motion ng cue stick mo. Supposedly, straight as an arrow. Wala siyang side na motion, wala rin siyang vertical na variation. So, back and forth. So, para magawa yon, yung forearm mo should be placed vertically. Then, syempre, kung kahit vertical to, kung itatrack mo yung motion ng hand mo, kung stiff lang yung hand mo, pendulum motion, so arc yung motion niya. So, paano kung mako-convert into a straight line of action? kailangan ilusin mo yung wrist mo kung saan yung wrist mo mag-a-adjust to the point na kapag pinupush forward ko yung cue stick, ganito yung alignment niya. Pag pinupull back ko, ganito yung alignment niya. So, parang itong may circle following a straight line. So, yun yung kailangang practicein. So, in turn, kapag pinullback ko yung cue stick, parang naglulusen yung grip. Kasi actually, ito lang yung nagigrip na part. Ito, nakasupport lang yung fingers na to. Push back, push forward. Hindi masyadong tight. Then, saan mo dapat hawakan? Yung point, yung placement kung saan mo hahawakan using your dominant hand should be, by the time it hits the cue ball, the angle between your forearm and the cue stick should be 90 degrees. So, doon. So, pag yuko kong ganyan, more than 90 degrees, tapos pag in-extend ko na po, 90 degrees na siya. That doon mo ipi-place palagi. Siyempre, comfortable distance, merong mga players na gusto nila sobrang layo ng bridge hand nila. So, yun yung compromise. Parang pag alayo yung bridge hand mo sa cue ball, mabubusan ka ng hahawakan dito. Kasi kailangan mo i-maintain yung 90 degree na angle. Pag more than 90 degrees kasi, mangyari, scoop niya muna, mag-skid muna siya sa table before mo matamaan yung object ball. Pag less than 90 degrees naman, pag i-hit mo na yung object, yung cue ball, kung halimbawa tinutok mo siya sa ilalim, since naubusan ka na ng hindi na kaya ng wrist mo i-maintain yung straight line of action, nangyari, aangat na yung angle of attack ng cue stick mo. So, in turn, kung tinutok mo halimbawa sa ilalim para mag-roll backwards, nung in-execute mo, nag-roll forward siya, ibig sabihin nun, hindi mo talaga natamaan sa ilalim kasi nakulang, parang hindi na kaya ng wrist mo i-maintain yung straight line of action mo. So, yun yung third. So, cueing, proper cueing, yun yung third Then finally, keep your head down even after the shot para ma-take note mo kung may mga mistakes kang ginawa. Diba, mali yung stance mo, mali yung aiming mo, mali yung cueing mo, or para makapag-take note ka ng mga errors. So, yun yung then try natin i-play out tong game na to. Supposedly yung 1, tatama dun sa 2, mahuhulog either 1 or 2. Try natin. Hindi. Let's try again. Then, 2, syempre, pag mismo nasa laro ka na, most pros think 3 balls ahead at least para that's called positional play. So, para ma-ensure mo na nauubos mo yung mga bola, syempre, iniisip mo na, saan mo papapuntahin yung cue ball para favorable para dun sa next 2 shots mo. So, some players even think all balls, kung paano ba nila atakin lahat ng bola. Pero syempre, ang pinaka-rule ng billiards, since cumulative ladder rise siya, kailangan matutunan yung stance, kailangan matutunan yung technique, over and over again, para maging second nature mo. So, alam mo, kung iniisip mo na kung paano papahulugin yung bola, hindi mo na i-mind yung technique mo. Kasi automatic, second nature na siya, hindi mo na siya kailangang i-mind. Ang next na i-mind mo na, pagpapahulog ng bola. Then, alam mo, kung na-master mo na yung pagpapahulog ng bola, kung alam mo na magbigay ng spin, yun ang next na isipin mo. Kung second nature na rin yung yung pag-determine kung ano yung tamang spin or tamang amount ng spin na ibibigay mo, next na nun yung pace, then yung positional play. Kung second nature na rin yung positional play mo, parang instinctively ka na lang maglalaro. Then wala na ganong mental stress. And ultimately, alam mo, kung pressure matches, alam mo, merong stake or nasa tournament ka, kung experience, parang over and over, nasasanay ka na, hindi mo na rin i-mind yung pressure. Hence, magiging formidable na player ka. So, it's all about not minding na yung challenges ahead. So, kailangan maging second nature mo lang. So, in this case, ayoko nang explain. Around dito ko ilalagay para simpleng stop ball lang for the 4. Then yung 4, stop ball lang din, 5, 6, 7. Masyado kong minind yun, yung position ko doon sa 7, so kaya medyo narattle yung concentration ko. Sobrang tight talaga ng pockets dito sa practice table ng pool club. Apart from that one glaring error, yung simple shot dun sa 6 ball, ano naman, sobrang easy going lang nung rack. Siyempre, pansin nyo, hindi ko na ganun in-analyze. Parang alam ko na agad kung paano attacking. So, parang nag-instinct ko na kasi it's all the result of yung experience na, yung experience na accumulate ko all over the years ng paglalaro ng billiards. So, hindi siya ganun kadali. Actually, mahirap yung learning curve. Pero sobrang worth it and sobrang exhilarating na pe-perform mo yung ganun task. Nakikita mo like what the pros did on television. Parang you're actually doing it yourself. Pero syempre, it's a long way. And the first step is always practice, and practice. And yun yung sekreto sa billiards. Hindi siya simple na analytic na it's not like what the nerds say. Nerd din naman ako. So, hindi siya simple na science. It's all about execution, technique, and accumulation of experience. And that's all. Siguro hindi ko alam kung ano pang discuss ko. Tignan natin.